Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Raksha Bandhan is right around the corner and today I'm here with two very simple Rakhis that you can create for your brother. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are a few things you will need. Tape the yarn to the surface and tie a knot at the center of the yarn. Now split the yarn into two halves and insert a needle through both of them. Now pass both the needles through all the purls as seen here. Once you've achieved the diamond shape, tie a knot at the end and you're done. Once again, tape the yarn to the surface. Tie a knot at the center of the yarn and insert 6 purls through the needle. Now pass the needle through the first purl and pull it together. Now insert one more purl through the needle and then pass the needle through the third purl from the circle. Once you're done, tie a knot at the end and you're done. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. I have mentioned a few tips and tricks in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Please help me grow my channel by hitting the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Click on these links here to watch my other tutorials and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!